Forgot your Apple ID password? In 60 seconds we'll reset it and get you back in. Open Settings on your iPhone and tap your name at the top of the list. Tap Password and Security, then choose Change Password. If your device requests a passcode, enter it now to verify your identity. Don't have a passcode? Tap Forgot Apple ID or Password and follow the on-screen prompts. If that fails, visit iforgot.apple.com for account recovery options. When prompted, type a new strong password and re-enter it to confirm. Use at least 8 characters with a mix of letters, numbers, and a capital letter. Tap Change or Reset, and wait for the confirmation banner that your password updated. If two-factor authentication appears, approve the sign-in from a trusted device. Still locked out? Use Apple's account recovery at iforgot.apple.com to start a recovery request. Visit iforgot.apple.com now to begin account recovery and regain access to your Apple ID.